Hi everybody, yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a carbon air filter on 2015 Lexus or 350. Okay, let's start it guys. Let me show you step by step. Just open the glove box compartment. Just pull the parts out. You're gonna see the piece in here. Just pop it, take it out. You see the piece inside. One more piece cover in here, just rest it up a little bit. Pull it out, and here's a filter located. The piece covers out. Woo! Look at it's a bad. See the filter all dirt. It's a new filter look like. And you see the sign, it said like up, arrow up, and letter up. Just put it up, okay? Just follow the sign. Put this up and put the cover back in. And put a second cover. And last piece here. Just hold it, and it's all set. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. It's all set.